What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Poopies channel. We're here in Carlsbad with the boys. We're gonna go send it off Terramar cliffs. We'll see what happens. I got a kayak. We just found this thing on the side of the road. It's going down. Straight up. We're on. We're going.
Take it down.
This is the OG.
Bring it back.
I just saw your sister. She said okay.
It sinks a little. Takes in water.
Well, I'm not in the water. I'm in the dirt.
It's in dirt? What are you doing with it?
I'm going down Terramar Cliff.
You can't go down Terramar Cliff in my kayak? I'm just kidding. Go for it.
Man.
Bring it back though.
I will. I will. Love you. We just found the kayak. It's been sitting here for years, Bill. Oh my God, it barely
fits like a dog.
Yeah, let's go. So Terramar Cliffs is right down the street. Thanks for the ride.
Yeah, bud. Let's get it.
Let's go.
Is it? Stab it.
Girl, what do you think?
Go, girl. God damn it, girl.
Right, left, right. So we're in the van. We got the kayak. I got my little brother from Missouri.
Yeah.
Tell your name.
Oh, I'm Shane.
What's your Insta?
At the flare up.
We just made it.
We're good.
Finish out the test. We're gonna go sand it. Wait till you guys see these stairs. So these stairs is like, it's probably like 70 stairs. And they're not like steep. It's really steep. So here we are. These are the stairs. They're doing down there now. They're trippy. Look, they're trippy. What? Yeah, it's on. We're going. 70 stairs. What's up? We're on.
I mean, aggressive.
Of course it's aggressive.
I think you got it. I think you got it.
For sure. I think you got it too, dude. Straight up.
There's a lot of stairs there. Oh, this is such a bad call.
This is good. Call. Lean back. He's got it. He's got it. Little brother, welcome to California.
Stay in.
Dude, you got it, dude. You're not going to go that fast. This motor is already stopping.
All right.
1, 2, 3. It wasn't that bad, dude. He was tripping. Yep. Oh, what's up?
I mean, it was a ride. It was a ride. I was like, it's like my skateboard just straight pushed in every single step. It was hard, but
Yeah, that was
good.
sick.
Alright, Poopies, you ready?
Alright, yep, let him go. Ready?
Out for a rip, brother.
Terramar stairs on the kayak, push me hard.
Meditation through the yoga going green by the minute. Soon I can't wear any other colors. Posters covering my walls, but they fall down. I've been reading in the books that we read blind. Reading everything out to get smarter.
How you send it?
Working out for me.
Ow, my nuts. Hit it, landed it. We're on. How much feet did I get? 5 feet? 6 feet? Let's see.
You guys are running train.
Oh, Bill! How did it go too well? Well, you want to try it again? One more time. We'll try it one more time. Let's do it. Got a little blood. Hey, I'm not having fun. What's the point? You gotta shed a little blood. Sacrifice. Oh, sick. We're gonna do it again. One more time. One more time. We got one. Alright. Oh, feel my God. Hold on, turn. Do not look up. Look down. Look down. Here we go, Billy! Gnarly carnage just went down. 70 stair. We got messed up. Show me. We landed it though, kinda. I was like, left, right. Yeah? Yep, we're good. Hey, it's a day in the life of Poopies. All we do is send it and have fun. And we get the drum side. Shano, you killed it, dude.
We made it.
Killed it, dude.
We made it.
I was sick. Let's go jump in the water and cool off. We gotta get these guts all cleaned up. Yeah, boys. Broke his knee, I broke my elbow.
Oh, this is
Shano got a bunch of road rash. Hey, it's fun though. Did you have fun?
Oh, we had a great time.
That was sick.
Right on, brother.
Killed it. Terramar stairs, went down them with all the boys. It was so fun. Let's go find the next stunt. We're out. See you next time. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Please comment below and tell me what you guys want to see next. Subscribe to the Poopies channel and like my videos, please. Thank you for joining. All that.